Thank you, brother. Can we have the next question, sister?
Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Nayak. My name is Monita. I'm a media professional. I wanted to know if accepting prasad is haram for a Muslim and why.
The sister asked the question that is accepting prasad for a Muslim haram or not? Prasad is the food that is given to God, to the idols, etc. in Hinduism. Quran says in no less than 4 different places. In Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 173. In Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 3. In Surah Anam, chapter number 6, verse number 145. And Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 115. It says that حُرِّمَتْ عَلَيْكُمُ الْمَيْتُةُ وَالدَّمُ وَلَحْمُ الْخِنْزِيرِ وَمَا أُهِلَّ بِغَيْرِ اللَّهِ بِهِ. Forbidden for you for food are dead meat, blood, the flesh of swine, and any food on which any name besides Almighty God's name is taken. So any food on which any name besides Almighty God's name is taken, it is called as haram. That's the reason to accept prasad and to eat prasad is prohibited in Islam. And even if you read the Vedas, even in the Vedas, since the Veda clearly mentions Natasya Pratimasti, of that God there is no pratima, there is no image, there is no idol, there is no sculpture, there is no photograph, there is no painting. Even giving food to the idol is prohibited in the Veda. So that's the reason, because it's prohibited in the Veda, it is wrong to put food on the idols. Similarly, because the Quran prohibits it, for us Muslims to accept it or to eat it is wrong, sister. Hope that answers the question.
Sir, one more thing. I'm a Sindhi and I go to the Gurudwara. There is no idol at the Gurudwara. There's just a Granth. We still have prasad in the Gurudwara. It's called Kana Prasad. But you still can't accept that. What is the reason for that?
Sister, that's
it's not accepted. It's not offered to an idol.
That's right. Sister, I'm a student of even the Guru Granth. And even according to the Sikh scriptures, the Adi Granth, Guru Granth, it speaks about oneness of God. And it says that Almighty God has got no idols, no images. There are various attributes given to Almighty God, Rahim, Kareem, Allah, various. Till here we are going together. But unfortunately, when you go to Gurudwara, though Sikhism does not believe in the concept of God in which there are images, but yet they worship the Granth as a Guru, because the Gurus have gone. And on this, when they give the food, it's indirectly similar. Though according to the scriptures, idol worship is prohibited. So because of this indirect giving of the food, even according to the Guru Granth, Almighty God does not require to eat. So where is the question of you giving food to Almighty God? Quran says in Surah Anam chapter 6 verse number 14, Allah feedeth everyone but does not require to be fed. So where is the question of you giving food to Almighty God? So sister, you are not following the Adi Granth. Now because you are not following the Adi Granth, Almighty God does not require food. He can sustain without the food. He is the one who feedeth everyone. Hope that answers the question. Wa akhir da'wan alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.